Welcome back, top of the morning. Hey. So my name is Golden Rabbit. In case you guys didn't know, if you guys are new to the channel, well, thanks for coming, and if you guys are coming back, well, thanks for returning, because we have some epic gameplay coming out. Anyways, well, today I'm gonna be talking about how small YouTubers can grow on YouTube. So this is a new year ahead of us, guys, and a lot of people are saying, yeah, I want to be like a YouTube gamer. I just wanna be out there. Well, yeah, like anyone can do that for sure, but the thing is, I believe that you need to have some discipline. You can't just post one video and say, hey, this video is gonna go viral. This is my debut. No, you need to post. Oh, there's a little dog. That's cool. You gotta post like a video each day, and you gotta be like consistent. That's the name of the game. So it's like me here, like I'm walking around this track. It's like, it's like going to the gym. So like you can't just go to the gym one day and say, I'm healthy, I'm gonna lose weight, 10 pounds in one day. That's unrealistic. You really have to go to the gym consistently. There's so much dogs here. Let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna go over here. But anyways, yeah. So you really have to be consistent. That's the name of the game. And the second thing is that like you need to have content that's gonna be like fun to create. Like this is pretty cool. I see a Christmas tree here and presents. Christmas is done, guys. Like I hope you guys got like a lot of presents, but it's not always about the presents too. It's just about celebrating like Christmas, being with your family. This is pretty cool city, to be honest. Like I don't think I could ever build one of these, but that's the thing. You know what they say, Rome wasn't built in a day. So like things take time. So I want you guys to post your first video, and then I want you to just don't worry like how it sounds or your edits. Like just every day improve it. Just become a better version of you. So like here, what is this? Is pretty cool. This is like something you see in Japan. It's like a nice like sushi shop. You got tables here. You got let's see what else. This is like the chef's like kitchen. It's pretty sick. Nice. Let's see his outfit. Oh, Smoky Pizza Place. So he's a pizza shop, but yeah, it looks pretty cool. Okay, yeah. So as I was saying, guys, like you guys really have to. I wouldn't say like it's a grind, but like if you can't like put like 20 minutes aside of your day doing videos and content, then I don't know, guys. I don't know how you guys are gonna make it out there on YouTube, because YouTube is like there's no upfront investment really. But the thing is, like, here's my bookshelf. What I like more than mere like like Bugattis and cars and realistic things and knowledge. You guys probably know that guy Tai Lopez. But anyways, so yeah, knowledge is good too to have, but as I was saying, you guys can't just say, okay, I'm gonna post this day, I'll be back tomorrow. It doesn't work like that. Like you have to set like 20 minutes at least out of your day just doing YouTube videos. You can't just like say, okay, I'm gonna do it one day a week. In the beginning, you're gonna have to push. You're gonna have to grind. And like as I was saying, you're not really spending much money making these videos. You're just, you're entertaining the folks out here. Like show people what they want to see. Like let's look in here. This is like a nice little cabin. Oh, I like it. There's some windows with bookshelves. This is like my ideal dream cabin kind of thing, like in the woods. On a nice snowy day, you can look out the window. I have some Christmas trees out there. But yeah, so like you really have to figure out what you guys want to film and how you're gonna film it, and basically set like I would say a schedule for yourself. Like say you're gonna film in the morning when you wake up. Film 20 minutes, and after that, just continue on your day. And if you can do more videos, great. That's always amazing. What is this here? This is so cool. This is like another like kind of sit down area. Hopefully it's like a sushi shop or something. Like that'd be pretty cool. I could serve you guys up here. Come to my shop, guys. Link in the description. Anyways, let's go on with that. So yeah, that's the thing, guys. You guys really have to be creative. You guys have to have that mindset. Like you're gonna be winning. You want to be that winner in life for sure. Like everyone wants to win. And everyone wants to be like a big top creator. But realistically, we can all do it, but it takes time. It's not like it's gonna happen overnight. It might take 1 year. It might take 2 years. It might even take 10 years. But like you're gonna go down that path, and it's a journey. And say if it doesn't work, then it doesn't work. But at least you tried, to be honest. Hey, what's over here? Let's see. Is that library again? Yeah, that's a pretty cool library. I wonder if there's more things here like I can explore for you guys. Cause this is pretty cool. I want to see like something I never saw before. Like this is pretty cool. Just looking up in the city. Like, I want to see some pool or maybe like a gym or something. What is this here? Yeah. Anyways, you guys really have to stick to the grind, and if you guys want to win in 2025, like comment down in the comment section there and say grind. Tell me like you're gonna grind at what. So say grind, and you're gonna grind at Minecraft. You're gonna grind at gaming videos. You're gonna grind at maybe being a better cook. Maybe you're gonna grind at working more. But I would be careful working more because a lot of people say, "Oh, I got 2 jobs." I'm always tired. They're burning themselves out. I know you have to work 2 jobs, right? But you have to think about too, like, hey, you need the money, but also you don't want to kill yourself during that process. So maybe do something that you can make money from yourself. Like do start a Minecraft like gaming channel or something. Start something cool, guys, because this is a year, and YouTube is just pushing everyone's content out there. This is pretty cool. This guy's let's see what he's cooking. He's cooking some burgers, some steak. Looks like some lettuce there. I don't know, chopped up, and some like tomatoes chopped up. That's pretty cool. He has like the full kitchen. He has like some French fries. He has like some cheese with a knife sticking out. I think that's pretty dangerous. Should be careful. And then he has like an ice bath here, water. Yeah, pretty sick. But yeah, like always, there's someone in jail. It's crazy, crazy. You're trying to get out, they can't. But yeah, always have like the mindset of like, you're gonna win. It's gonna take time, but eventually you get there. This is pretty cool. There's a baby cow, and oh, let's get back inside. But what's inside this area? Is it like a house? Hmm. Let's see if I can go in. Let's see. No. Oh, well, I can't really go in. Anyways, this is a little house. It's like a little farm. It's a micro farm. What do they got here? They got carrots going. They got a cow. He has a pickaxe. He's like harvesting, I guess. That's pretty cool. And then what we got here, we got like a cat kind of petting area. Nice, nice. But yeah, you guys like never give up, guys. And I know people are gonna like say, you can't do it. I don't believe you. That's what they said to me. But I took like their criticism as like motivation to just even be stronger. Like if it's like if you get rejected, yeah, they reject you, but you come back stronger. It could be like anything. They reject you of like an application for a job. The girl rejects you. Like rejection is everywhere, guys, and you gotta learn that because if you don't learn it now, then you need to just come back stronger. Um, or they shut your business down. You gotta build a big and better business. That's the thing about life. Yeah, it's a nice, wonderful day here, like in Minecraftville. Yeah, I love the snow. It's like so nice. Anyways, let's go back on this track here. Just walking around. But yeah, also comment down in the description like your New Year's resolution goals. Is it like to travel more, or is it to eat more healthy? But yeah, like I hope to see you guys coming back to my channel because my goal is to post every single day and keep you guys entertained. I'm gonna be posting more videos like how to build stuff in Minecraft. I'm gonna do some creative series. I'm gonna do like so much different kind of gameplays here. This one is just more of like just exploring and talking to you guys, about just just be consistent, guys. Don't say no and I can't do it, and like don't be afraid of making your first video. I know like that was hard for me too. Like I was like, hey, I don't really want to talk in my videos. I just want to film videos and show the world, but I also want to like entertain you guys. But I was like afraid of speaking. But I learned like when you speak more and more, you get better at it. It's not like when you don't speak, you're not gonna get better. Cause like what? Okay, so what is the investment of like nothing? Like ROI, nothing. You know what I mean? But what is the investment when you actually do something? You know what I mean? There is the ROI. There's a return on investment. So that's the thing. Like right now, you're speaking to the mic. I'm filming. You're investing your time and you're investing your skills. Like and these skills will one day help you because there's gonna be big and better videos out there that I create, and then everyone will say, "Oh my, that's crazy! Nice gameplay, nice talk." Make some jokes like why do skeletons shoot bow and arrows? Because they use their bones and arrows. Because like make it funny, guys. Like break it up. Another one the other day is like, why is Steve walking so much? Like, how does he stay fit? Because he runs around the block. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna cut it loose here, guys, because I gotta get on with the day, and yeah, I gotta figure things out right now. But anyways, thanks for listening to my video, and I really hope you guys take action too, because if you don't, then I don't know, maybe I'll just be that gamer that you guys will remember that one day and say, yo, I remember this guy, Golden Rabbit. Golden Rabbit started off and now he's like getting bigger and better. But anyways, I'm gonna cut it. Peace out, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.